how to buy pump token on Hotcoin. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now first of all, make sure to log into your account on Hotcoin, and after that head over to that search bar and type pump like that, and you will be able to find this pair. Now just wait a few seconds. As you can see, now click on this pair. After that, what you need to do, we need to get the buy option from here, as you can see. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just I will close this. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here, as you can see, and now select the market or select the limit is the same. Now to set the amount, the quantity that you want to buy, you can just type the amount that you want to buy. Because I don't have any fund on my account, I can't be able to set here how much I want to buy, and click here on buy. So this is how to buy pump token on Hotcoin. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.